Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Damaris Posal Powell. On this channel, we journey with faith, we journey with love, and we journey with the powers. If today happens to be your first time stopping by, you are very welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. On today's episode of Journey with the Powers, we are going to be organizing my pantry. Yes, my pantry looks disorganized, and I know there are quite a lot of people who are struggling with their pantry. When you open your pantry, things are so disorganized. You don't know where things are placed. You don't even know how to look for things. So today I'm going to be showing you some simplest ways to organize your pantry. So I bought a couple of bins, some from Amazon and some from Ikea, to organize my pantry. You're going to come along with me. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, as we will be coming up with a lot of content. I have a lot of organizing videos, a lot of cleaning tips, we're going to be doing a lot. So you're going to come with me. And here is my pantry. It doesn't look so bad and it doesn't look good. Take a look at how things are in here. No, they don't look good at all. I need it to be organized and neat. I do have some labels here, and here are the beans that I bought from Ikea. These ones were like $4 each, and what I love about these beans is the fact that I'll be able to store my rice, flour, and just bigger stuff, right? My husband loves to bake, so we struggle with keeping flour. I hate when flour is messing up all everywhere. And then I ordered these ones from Amazon. They are quite big, you know. So I also got this for things like spaghetti or just longer things, right? So we will figure out what to do with these containers. So the first thing that we're going to do is clean up this pantry. We're going to clear everything off. And once that is done, I will show you how it looks. A quick disclaimer, y'all. So I intentionally kept my pantry this way for the sake of this video. Yes, this is not how my pantry normally looks. As a matter of fact, this is a brand new space that we get to start decorating, organizing, and so I intentionally did not want to arrange anything until this video is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Okay, now that the pantry is all lined up, we're gonna start putting back things and take a look. Yeah, the things that came out of this pantry is a lot. So we're gonna be arranging them, right? First things first, I got this from Ikea. These are gorgeous. I have my nyamangoro in there. And then this one's for fish. Next are this bouillon. We love this. This is what we used to cook, kind of supplement this for Maggi. It's beautiful, it's good. I use this to make fish. Those who've been asking me how I make my fish, this is it, y'all. Next is Maggi. Because I don't make beans quite a lot, I will put the beans in here because I don't want to waste this big container just for the small beans. So we're going to put beans in here. The beans almost didn't fit, but it did. We're going to label this as cocky beans. Oops. This is not how I wanted it. Okay, cocky beans. Instead of this, we put it here. You don't need all this. Doesn't this look presentable? Looks great. Next, instead of these boxes, we use this. And the good thing about this is we can always refill this. Unfortunately, it looks like this will not be big enough, so we're going to change this container. We're going to use this bigger ones from Ikea. Right. Instead of this, we're going to put it here.
Wait, we need a lot right here. We need a lot of blocks.
Yes, avoid sugar spilling all over the place. And do it better by just simply turning it in the container like this. Ooh, a lot of sugar. Unfortunately, this one is broken. I'll be trashing this. Now, plantain fufu. All done, all done. And I'm trying to hide it from you guys. But do you want to see how it looks now? Okay, let's go. This is how it looks right now. See, it looks much better. You see, extra spices is right here. This is the area for bread. I do have some here. They're all labeled. I do have some extra stuff right down here, so I'll be refilling these buckets as they go. And I do have, you can see I've labeled it plastic spoons, extra tea. There is some kind of fruits in there. And then, so yeah, this is it. You guys tell me how it looks. I think it looks much better, much organized, and yeah. Yeah, we've come to the end of the video, and this is how my pantry looks right now. It looks much better than how it was before. And yeah, so yeah, this is the end of the video. My pantry looks much better than it was, and I'm hoping it stays this way, you know. And make sure you subscribe to our channel, as we will be uploading more content, house cleaning, organization, decoration, and all that. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed. Also tell me how I did with this organization. Yay! Have a good day, guys. Bye. Just a quick disclaimer here. This is not how my pantry was. As a matter of fact, this is a brand new space, so I intentionally did not put my things in order because of this video. I disorganized everything for the purpose of this video, so I hope you enjoy it. Yes, my husband uses a lot of flour, so it's been normal to give him a bigger container because this guy bakes a lot.